Digital marketing is a vast field filled with its own jargon. Today, let's dive into two of the most commonly used terms in this world: landing pages and squeeze pages. A landing page, by definition, is a standalone web page with a singular conversion goal. Now, this goal can be quite versatile depending on the marketer's objective. It could be anything from making a sale, capturing a lead, signing up for a newsletter, or, in the case of a squeeze page, collecting an email address. Some key components of landing pages include a powerful headline, compelling copy, and a clear call to action, also known as a CTA. Let's focus first on sales pages, a widely used type of landing page. As the name suggests, the ultimate aim of a sales page is to sell a product or service. The design of these pages can vary widely. They can be either short form or long form, depending on the complexity and price of the product or service being sold. There's a common saying in the marketing world that the more expensive the product, the longer the sales page needs to be. The intention is simple here: to persuade you into making a sale. Another variant of the landing page family is a lead generation page. These pages have a specific goal: to collect your contact information for future marketing efforts. You might have come across these pages when you're about to download a free ebook, signing up for a webinar, or registering for a free trial of a software. The principal objective here is capturing a lead, which can be anything from a name and email address to detailed information about a potential customer's business. Now, let's switch gears and discuss squeeze pages. These pages are landing pages with one specific, focused goal: to squeeze out your email address from you. Squeeze pages usually offer a valuable incentive, also known as a lead magnet, to the visitors. This could be anything from a free ebook, a mini course, or a cheat sheet, and it's provided in exchange for your email address. These pages are typically quite short, to the point, and often appear as pop-ups. So, in simple terms, all squeeze pages are landing pages, but not all landing pages are squeeze pages. They all come under the broad umbrella of landing pages, but they serve different goals. A sales page is geared towards making a sale, a lead generation page is focused on gathering contact information for future marketing, and a squeeze page has its sights set on capturing email addresses. When someone mentions the term landing page, it's important to clarify which type of landing page they're referring to, as there are several. And, when you hear squeeze page, it's usually safe to assume they're talking about capturing email addresses, unless they specify something different. Navigating the world of marketing can sometimes feel like wandering in a forest of buzzwords and jargon. But once you get a hang of the terminology, the concepts start making sense, and you can effectively use these strategies to grow your online presence. I hope this explanation has helped clarify the difference between landing pages and squeeze pages for you. Remember, knowledge is power, especially in the digital world. Keep learning, keep asking questions, and keep growing your online presence. Like and subscribe to this channel. And please reach out to Reversed Out for all your marketing needs.